to edit PDF file in laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily edit your PDF file in your laptop. So first thing, just head over to your Word. So let me show you an example quickly. So as you can see, I have a Word file opened which contains a lot of text from or images as a screenshots. So as you can see, here's the first blank page. So what I will do is just insert some text from this PDF, as you can see on my right. So what I can do is just click on this insert button from the Word and just click on this text and then object, then text from the file, and I'll just have to choose the file from where I want the text to be completed. So I'll this file, and once I select the file, as you can see, it will give me a pop-up. So I'll just have to click on OK, and it will automatically brings all of that text or the content which is contained inside of this PDF over here. And now to convert this file as a PDF, what I will do is simply click on this and click on save as and click on destination file, just like this. So let me just select my desktop for now, and from over here you can just convert it and save it as a PDF file just like this, and just give your new name just like this and save it. So once you save it, click on save. It should successfully saved as a PDF on your PC. So as you can see, it has already been opened as a PDF on my PC as well. So let me just check it to confirm. So it has successfully been saved as a PDF. So that is exactly how you can easily edit your PDF file on your laptop. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.